and welcome to our next kitchen remodel here in Disneyland's capital of the world, Anaheim, California. My name is Sabrina Phillips. I'm an ASID interior designer and general contractor for my company called Designing Women of Orange County. And tonight we're going to show you into the pre-construction world of this home as we get ready to redo their floors and their kitchen for them. It's going to look so fantastic. So let's take you in and show you what it looks like now, and then later we're going to show you what it looks like after we've done all of our magic. Okay, so here we are in the entryway of this client's home. One of the things that we're going to be doing first off is replacing all of this flooring here with a beautiful grayish LVP or luxury vinyl plank flooring. It's 100% waterproof. It's going to be great for here. He has a couple of large dogs, so the wear and tear is going to be excellent. He's not even going to notice anything with this new LVP that we're putting in. We'll also be removing this entertainment center here, and we're going to take you into the kitchen here pretty soon and show you the whole expanse of everything that we're doing, because this is just a small area. So let's go in here and check it out. So here we're seeing a portion of what's going to be done as far as the flooring, some new wall color, a little bit of that countertop there, but we're here in the great room area. This time we're not doing that fireplace, but usually we would actually remodel the fireplace as well. But you'll see this whole floor is getting LVP. And then as we pan on around here, this is the entertainment center that's going to be leaving here, and we'll be taking care of that for the client, and mounting that TV on the wall along with some other new furniture that's going to go in there for him. So this will look quite a bit different. We are keeping the original ceilings. I don't know if we can catch those. They're beautiful. They're very, it's a very dark, rich ceiling that, being from the Midwest, I happen to really appreciate this because it just gives such a warm, lodgy feel actually to this home. So we are keeping that, and I think that's just going to be beautiful when we're all done with it. So let's take a little look right around the corner of this wall here and look into this kitchen, and I'll show you how that's going to change. So the cool thing about this is that while we're not really changing the footprint, so to say, of this kitchen, we are changing out the shape of the island. Currently, right now, that island follows the shape of the ceiling. We'll show you that in just a second. We're really going to change up the look and feel of this kitchen by using this midnight blue cabinet front. And so we are replacing all of the cabinets. I mean, so everything's going to be demoed on Monday, and then the floor starts, and then the cabinets go in right after that. But this is going to be so beautiful, and we're going to use a gold handle on that to really touch that off nicely. And then the other thing that I mentioned before too was the flooring. So the flooring is that grayish, gray tan kind of nice combo between those worlds as we teeter out of the grays quickly here, and we're moving back into earth tones. So that is what we're going to be using as far as the product going into this kitchen. It is going to be beautiful. Oh, and the countertop. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the countertop is quartz. It's white with a navy blue, very thin line through it. It is going to be beautiful. And then we're kind of torn between these colors right now. We're going to make some decisions probably tonight on it. We might go with this lighter one here on that versus this more goldy, even though it's a great earth tone, but it's a little dark. So anyway, but just to get over here and kind of tell you, we're replacing pantry for pantry right here. The oven wall is going to stay exactly where it's at. We're giving him a really nice Lazy Susan. He's got one in here now, but it's not going to work quite the same way. It's going to work a lot better for him. And then we're changing out this upper area here and giving him a corner cabinet and a 9-inch spice pullout on the wall, which is going to be very handy for him to be able to use here by the stove and by the ovens. And then what else are we doing in here? Everything is pretty much staying where it's at. It's just a matter of the cabinets being so updated. We'll come out again too. We went with a 24-inch depth here, just like he's got now, but we're also going to give him a 12-inch cabinet here that he doesn't have, so that'll be great for coffee cups and that type of thing. So giving him a little bit more storage than what he's got now. When you look at this island, I'm going to back up just a little bit. We are keeping the cooktop here. It's a 36-inch gas cooktop. We're going to replace it, but it's staying the same size, but we're going to give him a 30-inch, and this is about a 18-inch if I remember right. Yeah, 18-inch now. So we're going to give him a 30-inch drawer base here, a 36 drawer base here for all of his pots and pans, and another 30-inch drawer base here. So this is actually going to come out quite a bit further than where it's at now. We're also moving it this direction to give him more space between here and make the kitchen feel more spacious. So it's going to be a really nice change for him. On that end, if you just kind of look at the end of the side of the cabinet or the island here, we're actually going to have a trash bin pull out on this side, and it's going to pull out this direction. And over here, we're going to have a wine fridge at the very other side end of it. And then underneath, this is actually going to all square off. So we're not going to follow these same diagonal lines here. We're going to square this off and bring it up to date a little bit more, come away from those angled lines. We're going to give them a nice 4-seat type of an island overhang here, as well as 2 cabinets underneath with pull-outs so he can store stuff underneath the island. So it's going to be a really super nice change for him. This was one of the things he wanted, something that was going to be unique. These cabinets are very unique. I have not been able to find anything similar to them in the market, so I'm really glad to offer him something that he loves and that is going to stand out and just kind of be his own. So stay tuned. We should be done with this kitchen in about 2 to 3 weeks, along with the flooring. We move very quickly. Our teams are great to work with, and we're very good about orchestrating everything so that it all comes together very quickly for the client, and we can turn the home right back over to the client. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Anaheim kitchen remodel. And let us know if you have any comments or needs or anything like that. You have questions about a project you have coming up, just give us a call at Designing Women of Orange County at 949-371-9075. And we'll be happy to answer any of those questions that you might have. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.